Do you know that the smallest bird in the world flaps its wings so fast that even the human eye cannot count them? Friends, today we are talking about the magical hummingbird. This bird weighs only 2 to 20 grams and its heart beats so fast that it can beat 1,200 times in a minute. Their specialty is their way of flying. They can fly forward, backward, right, left, and even stay in the air at one place, just like a helicopter. But the real wonder happens when they drink nectar from flowers. Their wings flap 70 to 80 times in a second, which produces a humming sound, and that is why they are named hummingbird. The interesting fact is that they flap their wings more than their body weight every day. They eat food to get the energy to fly so fast. And did you know? Some species can migrate for thousands of kilometers without stopping. So the next time you see this tiny helicopter near a flower, remember, it's a unique wonder of nature, a hummingbee.